Hello, dear gardeners. Before we go into this amazing story about the secret tricks for a lush and healthy garden, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell, because there are many more useful tips waiting for you that will make your garden bloom like never before. Baking soda and dry yeast, you may use them most often in the kitchen. But did you know that these two everyday foods are actually magical ingredients for your garden? Yes, you heard right. When used correctly, they can do wonders for your vegetables. Dry yeast isn't just for raising dough. It's also for raising literally your garden. It is full of nutrients that encourage plant growth, help to form roots and strengthen stems. And now, we come to baking soda, another ally. In addition to balancing the pH value of the soil, baking soda can protect plants from various diseases and make your vegetables grow strong and healthy. And now, you must be wondering which vegetable crops can we add to this wonderful mix. From tomatoes, to cucumbers, to zucchini and peppers, the list is long and surprising. But to find out exactly how to use this simple, yet so powerful combination of baking soda and dry yeast, stick around until the end of the video as we share a secret recipe that will take your garden to a whole new level. The recipe you've all been waiting for. Here's how to make the perfect supplement for your plants. Take 1 tablespoon of dry yeast and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Dissolve in 10 liters of water, mix well, and your natural magic is ready. Water the plants with this mixture once every 10-15 days, and watch them grow faster and stronger than ever. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and share your results with us. See you in the next video.